Hello, welcome to Mr. Ramos's class. Am I in the right room, you might be asking? Well, this is Algebra 1. I am Mr. Ramos, and this is room 115. Where do I sit? Well, you want to follow the seating chart displayed on the board. Some days the seating chart will change, and it will be on the board when you walk in. Immediately sit in your new assigned seat with no complaints. So who is this crazy guy I'm talking to? My name is Manuel Ramos. I love technology. I love math. I love sports such as tennis and volleyball, and I'm this year's volleyball coach. So, what are we doing this year? We're going to learn math, and then we'll learn math, and then we'll learn some more math. And we'll do that with group work. We'll teach each other. We'll have projects. We'll definitely have some tests, homework, and overall, everyone here will be learning. How will I be graded? Tests and projects are 40% of your grade. Your daily work, your warm ups, your homework, your group work, that's the other 60% of your grade. Classroom rules are simple. Number one, you'll learn. Number two, you won't prevent others from learning. Number three, always use grammar manners. It's important to always be using those here. By the way, you would not be allowed to leave the class for any reason. So don't ask. Procedures. My procedures are simple. When you arrive to class, you want to enter the classroom quietly. You want to get out the materials in your homework, and you want to place your backpack by the wall. And then you begin with your warm ups. Tardy? Don't be tardy. You're tardy if you miss the warm ups. And I usually take roll 5 minutes after the bell rings. And if you're here 10 minutes after that, that means that you are absent. So if you're absent, it is your responsibility to take care of your business. Simple rules, aren't they?